Today I'm going to show you how I assembled my hamburger bowl. So I start by making a special sauce. I used a vegan mayonnaise. You can use regular mayonnaise, and then added ketchup to that, some pickle juice, whoops, kind of spilled some of that, and some dill relish. You're going to add your seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Just stir to combine. And then I actually forgot to add in the yellow mustard, so I'm going to do that now. Another tablespoon of mustard, stir to combine. And then once that's combined, you just set it aside and you are ready to start assembling your bowl. Now, this is all assuming that you are grilling or pan frying your hamburgers also while you're doing this. So maybe 2 cups of lettuce, romaine lettuce, and then whatever toppings you'd like. I've got avocado and tomato with everything but the bagel seasoning, lots of pickles. There's my hamburger, and then whatever kind of cheese you prefer. I'm going to use dairy-free cheese, but that is just a personal preference. I try to stay dairy-free as much as I can. And this Diet brand seems to be pretty good. Then you're just going to drizzle your special sauce over the top. And that's it, really. If there's any other toppings that you'd like, maybe onions or, I think bacon crumbles would be really good. You could add that as well, but that's it. This is a perfect low-carb day meal.